Alright, 7th grade SBEC 2, so this will help you with your test. Enter the value of x so that these two are equivalent. So, one thing we could do is just distribute. Right? Let's distribute this 5 to both terms. So, I'll rewrite it so it's easier to see. So 5, comma, or parentheses, 2 plus y. So I distribute, and I get 10 plus 5y. So what must x be? So let's do the same thing here. So it's a little different here, but again, same concept. So 5y plus 5x. So what's missing? We have 5y in both. So what we're missing is this 10 right here, right? So what does x have to equal? 5 times what number equals 10? So x equals 2. Because here, 5 times 2, 5y, 5y plus 10. Check, check. Same thing. Alright? Alright, so this one can be tricky if you don't read the question first. So select all. So make sure you know that this says select all expressions that are equivalent. So first what I would do is, let me rewrite this. So I've rewritten this, and I'm going to highlight the like terms. So I have 5x plus 4x plus 5x, and then the sign here, minus 5x, all gets highlighted. And then my other like terms are plus 3 and minus 2. So let's start combining. So this equals 9x plus 3 minus 5x minus 2. So again, I could highlight again. So again, my like terms are here and here. And then 9x minus 5x. So what's that going to give me? That's going to give me so in black, I'll just write it in black so it doesn't get too confusing. I'm going to get 4x, and then that's 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So one answer is definitely A. This one doesn't work. But why don't you check C and D? There is one more answer in here. Alright, so check those two. Enter the number that makes this equation true. So all I want to do is I want this to go here. So the answer here is x equals 53. 0.53 equals 53 over 100. Okay, so you just need to know how to convert from decimals to fractions. Select all expressions equivalent to 8x minus 32. So first, why don't you try them? A through D to C. So how do we do this? first we do multiply both. So 8 times x, this equals 8x minus 32. Check. 4 times 2 again, so we got to multiply. Now let me do a different color here. Eight x minus, and then 4 times 32, that's a big number. That's 128. So this one doesn't work. Okay, see? 2 times 4 and 2 times 16. So 2 times 4 is 8x minus 16 times 2 is 32. Oh, let me not put that x there because that might confuse you guys. And the last but not least, 8x minus 60. So my answers are, I'll highlight my answers, would be A and C. The B and D are both wrong. Alright, so let's look at this. We've got to combine our like terms. This, though, needs to be distributed, which is a little tricky. So what's going to happen is the signs are going to change. So signs change here. Okay, so all those signs are going to change. So I'm going to rewrite the first one. So it'll look like this. Negative 3x plus 5.2y. So now this is going to become plus 5x minus 3.5y. So my signs changed here and here because of that minus sign. And now I will go ahead and combine my like terms. So negative 3x plus 5x and plus 5.2y minus 3.5y. So this will become 2x, and then this is plus, because it's positive, 1.7y. Alright, so there's my answer. Alright, so I can rewrite that in black. But, just so you know, that's all you do. You have to change your signs. Alright, so let's look at this next problem. Oh, whoa. No, I don't know how to solve this one. I can't solve this. Select all expressions that are equivalent to 8x plus x, parentheses, x plus 7 plus 2x. So, again, let's rewrite this. So it'll become 8x plus x plus 7 plus 2x. And I'll highlight my like terms. So 8x, and remember there's a little 1, there's a 1 in front of this x here. Alright, so don't get confused there. Plus 2x. And then I have my lone number right there. So this right here, 8 plus 1 is 9x plus 7 plus 2x. And then I have, oops, wrong button. Add that, which will give me a total of 11x plus 7. So go check which ones these are. So we know it's going to be more than one. So one of them I gave you was this one, because it has to be that one. I just gave you that answer. And I'll end the recording here.